Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you all are doing good. Yes? Okay. So, tell me which day is today? Today is Wednesday and date is 21st October 2020. Okay? And day is Wednesday. Which day? Wednesday. Okay. So, babies, we were doing vowels, long sound and short sound. So first revise all the long sounds and all the short sounds of the vowel. Tell me what is the sound of this vowel? A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. Now tell me the short sound. A, E, A, A. A, E, A, A. Okay. And we have done two vowels till now. That is vowel A and vowel E. Vowel short sound A, and A. This we have done. Yes. Today we are going to do one more vowel, new vowel, that is I. We are going to do I today. And what is the short sound of this vowel? E. What is the short sound of this vowel? E. Okay. So, let's start now. Repeat it after me. Okay. Now, vowels A, E, A, A. Yes. Long sound is A, E, I, O, U. Short sound is A, E, A, A. And we are doing vowel I today. Which vowel we are doing? I. Okay. So, what is the short sound of this vowel? E. What is the short sound of this vowel? E. Now tell me some words with vowel E. Read it with me. B, E, N, bin. P, E, N, pin. Okay. Now D, E, N, din. And F, E, N, fin. Okay. How we are calling this vowel? How many vowels we have in all these words? We have got only one vowel. We have only one vowel and rest two are consonants. We know all these things, yes? These are consonants and one vowel we have. So, what was the rule? If we have only one vowel in the word, it will give us a short sound. It will give us a short sound. But if we have two vowels in a word, then the vowel will give us a long sound. What is the long sound of this vowel? I. What is the long sound of this vowel? I. So let's make some words of long sound also. Now read this. Read pa, ina, pin. But if I'll add here magical E, now read this. We have got two vowels here. Yes? So what was the rule? When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking and second remain silent. And first vowel will give us a long sound. Which sound? Long sounds. Okay? So now how you are going to read it? You will not read it now pin. Now we will call it pa, I, na, pine, and E will be silent. E will not give it sound. So the word will pa, I, na, pine. Pine. Okay, because we have got here two vowels. So let's revise that rule with me one more time. When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking and second remain silent. Now read. Read it. How you are going to read it? For I know fine. No, because we have got only one vowel here. If I will add one more vowel, that is magical E. Now we will call it with the long sound. How you are going to read it now? For I know fine. I am fine. Okay? Okay. Now read this. Din. Din. If I'll add E here, then how you are going to say the word? The eine dine. Okay? So now do you understand where you will call the word with the short sound and where you are going to call it with the long sound? Yes? Okay. So let's read these words in our TP tab book. Page number 9. Page number 9. So let's read. In and egg words. In and egg words. B in bin. P in pin. T in tin. F in fin. D in din. D ig dig. F ig fig. V ig wig. R ig rig. B ig big. Now without breaking. Bin, pin, tin, fin, din, dig, fig, wig, rig and big. Okay, so this page we are going to read from TP tab book and page number 38. What do we have on page number 38? Sight words. Yes? So let's read, let's revise one more time all these sight words. The, yes, we, she, I, you, me, do, to, he, be. Okay, now these are the new words that we will read today. Okay, was, my, her, they, all, are. These go and no. So, do you want me to write it here on the board? Okay. Read it with me. Was, my, and why, my. This is my bag. Okay. Her, her, her. If we have E and R together, we call it her. Her, her. The, a, they. All, are. This we know. Go and no. But read these words what I am writing here. Should we call it to? No. This is to. And this is to. Yes? Okay. So, we are going to read page number 38 sight words. Okay, from TP tab book. Okay, now look here. Can you read? I know you can read it now. Words, were orders words, were it with vowel E. Words with vowel E. So, see what are the families? It, in, it. So, we have to make words with these families. Okay? So, let's start. Read it with me. B, it, bit. Okay. Then the next word is fur, it, fit. Fur, take out your finger. Fur, e, t, fit. Third word is hit. H, it, hit. Right? H, e, t, hit. Next word is pit. P, it, pit. P, it, pit. Next word is sit. Sit down. Sit. And last word is kit. K, E, T. Kit. Do you have a doctor kit at your home? Okay. Now the next family is in. So let's make words with this family. Say it with me first. B, in, bin. Okay. Now write. B, E, N, bin. Next word is fin. F, E, N, fin. Next word is kin. K, E, N, kin. Then we have sin. S, E, N, sin. Tin. T, E, N, tin. Okay. And the last word is w, in, win. Okay. The next family is it. So first word is b, it, bit. B, it, bit. H, it, hit. K, it, kid. L, it, lit. M, it, mid. And R, it, rid. We all want to get rid of this corona, yes? Okay. So let's revise all these words one more time without breaking them. Okay? Read them. Bit, fit, hit, pit, sit, and kit. In family, bin, fin, kin, sin, tin, win. It family, bit, hit, kid, lit, mid, and rid. Okay, so this work you are going to do in your English notebook. Okay, words with vowel E. Alright? Okay. Now from your Cursive from Junior book, we will revise one A sound words. The family is app. Now read all these words with me. Gap, tap, cap, and map. Read them and then only write. Okay? So one page of this A sound words. And page number 52. Okay, so one page the revision of E sound, sound. So read it with me. B at bat, R at red, N at net, and J at jet. One more time. Bat, red, net, and jet. So this page you will do. And today which vowel we did? We are doing vowel I. So one page of vowel I. That is page number 57. And read with me. Bib. Small baby has to wear bib. Yes. This is our rib. Inside our body we have this rib. Lid. This is a lid. And this is a kid. Okay, one more time. Bib, rib, lid, kid. So 3 page from Cursive from Junior. Okay, so babies will read a lot. Read your tippy tippy tap book and try to read them without breaking the words. Okay, so this is all for today. Have a nice day.